Good morning, we're here at Aquatica Orlando for the unveiling of Tassie's Underwater Twist. This is a brand new slide that's opening this summer. It's a brand new kind of immersive multimedia slide, so as well as like zooming down the water slide, you're also going to experience lighting and video projections, sound effects, and of course a big splash at the end. We're super excited to check it out, so what are we waiting for? Let's go!
Good morning, or good afternoon now. Thank you so much for joining us today here at Aquatica Orlando as we preview the all-new Tassie's Underwater Twist. We're very excited for you guys to experience this. It is a one-of-a-kind attraction, and we're happy to welcome you guys as the first ones to ride. So without further ado, we have a full day planned for you guys so you guys can ride, but I'm gonna go ahead and hand the mic off over to our park president, Brad Gilmore, so he can give you a couple words about what you're gonna experience today.
Thanks, Jeanette. Welcome to Aquatica, and more importantly, thank you guys for supporting us. I see a lot of familiar faces out there as we unveil our newest attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist. For the last 4 years, Aquatica has been named the country's #1 water park, and it's really a testament to our creative services team who develop and create unique, one-of-a-kind attractions, and of course our ambassadors that work at this park day in, day out and deliver an excellent experience. Now, Tassie's Underwater Twist right here behind me is the world's most immersive water slide. I've been able to slide this attraction over the weekend, and I'll tell you, when you guys ride it here in about 15 minutes, you'll think of things like never before or one of a kind. You'll think about things like immersive, because you will slide down our tube and into our Super Bowl, and you'll be in the middle of a 360 fully encompassed projection system with audio. It'll transport you guys virtually to Australia's Shark Bay, where you will see whales coming into the frame. You'll see sea turtles, schools of fish, even a shark, and it's always going to be a different and unique experience as you slide. This attraction the ride vehicle for this attraction is a double raft, so it can accommodate one rider or two riders together. From a height requirement, which everyone's always kind of curious about what the height requirements are, this ride has always not had a height requirement. So we do require our riders who are 48 inches or below to wear a life jacket. As long as you can sit in the ride vehicle, the tube, hold on and maintain your proper riding position, everyone in the entire family can experience this. And another thing that I think that you guys will notice when you ride this, I would categorize this as a family thrill experience. So there's definitely a significant thrilling component to this ride experience, but the entire family can also enjoy it. So you guys will get a chance to ride that soon. And then also today we are highlighting our culinary offerings. Every year Aquatica, we try to mix it up and change our culinary offerings. So we have refreshed and reopened our mango market. So I know that you guys got a chance to experience some of the offerings that we have there. And I'll just tell you what, we are excited to kick off spring break. This year, the weather is finally here. We've been waiting on it for the last few months. It's hot out, it's gonna be in the 80s. This attraction, Tassie's Underwater Twist, will open to the general public on March 15th, this Friday. But as we always do, we're gonna have our past members be the first to ride, and they'll be able to ride starting tomorrow and Thursday. So truly, you guys truly are the first to ride and experience this attraction. So once again, thank you guys for coming out. Once we finish spring break, we will roll right into our event series where we have Aloha to Summer that will start March 30th. So Saturdays and Sundays, starting March 30th through Memorial Day, we'll kind of kick up the park a bit with music and a little bit of an island flair where we change some of our culinary offerings and have entertainment throughout the park. So a lot coming to Aquatica Orlando. We're excited to have you guys here. Thank you once again for being here, and we're pretty much ready to get you guys onto the ride here. I'm gonna welcome Jeanette back up here real quick and kind of go through some instructions. But on behalf of the park and the entire our team, thank you guys for being here. We really appreciate it.
Going backwards.